stronger. Right, that is Sataure Shakanyanyo and Andika Polute, my resolution and Dagabat. So and Chaverenga is Showman is Showma, with the tested hands. Continue to Mashogot and Chakanda and Chakuza, if I am one. As Bandil Taura, yes, nation, down to Guerengere, Chisungo, and out my resolutions are Kaitwa. Never political parties, Aripano, Nevakasa in a paper, Jandu Guerengapana. Vamuata Zao. Asi vacha saina mapepa iwaya. Now ndakutanga kuerenga. We, the political parties mentioned below, as the genuine representatives of the people of Zimbabwe, acknowledging the fundamental demand for genuine, credible, transparent, free and fair elections by the people of Zimbabwe. Note with regret the illegitimate, violent and extra-legal methods and processes employed by the ruling party ZANU-PF in subverting the people's will. Greatly concerned with the manner in which the state has been complicit and central in the process of capturing and delegitimizing credible and legitimate elections in Zimbabwe. Further concerned with the subjective and pervasive role of ZEC, its lack of independence and its state capture. Particularly frustrated with the government's intention to take over the biometric voter registration kits procurement, noting that the current constitution provides for a truly independent electoral commission. Further, acknowledging a key component of that independence is the ZEC's ability to procure election equipment and material without interference from our right granted by Section 59 of the Constitution of Zimbabwe. We, the political parties here gathered, make the following demands. 1. That having failed the fundamental test of impartiality and independence required of an election management board, the Zimbabwe Election Commission must forthwith be disbanded and dismantled. Number 2, SADC, AU and the UN must immediately establish an independent tripartite election management body to take over the full functions of ZEC as defined in the Constitution, including the preparation of a new biometric voters roll, the procurement of all necessary biometric voter registration equipment, the complete demilitarization of the entire election, facilitation of thorough amendments of the Electoral Act and all other legislation having a bearing on elections, ensuring the 2018 election is run consistent with international best practice, including the SADC guidelines, ensuring in particular media access by all political parties, civic society and all other interested parties, ensuring full international observation and monitoring by all UN-affiliated bodies and countries at least 12 months before the 2018 election. That constitutes our demand, which we are placing before the authorities. Now, petition.